The restoration of the soul is one of the most essential, yet often misunderstood aspects of spiritual growth. Many people focus on external change, improving behavior, fixing situations, or overcoming visible struggles, while neglecting the inner life. The soul, which includes the mind, emotions, and will, becomes weary not only from hardship, but from carrying burdens it was never designed to hold. When the soul is unrestored, even good opportunities feel heavy, and even blessings feel exhausting. Restoration begins when we recognize that inner renewal is not achieved through effort alone, but through alignment with divine truth and rest. Restoration is closely connected to stillness. In a world that constantly demands movement, productivity, and emotional reaction, the soul rarely finds space to breathe. Yet learning to be still is not passivity, it is an act of trust. When a person becomes still internally, anxiety loses its voice, confusion begins to fade, and clarity emerges. Stillness allows the mind to release control and the heart to regain peace. In this space, strength is renewed not because problems disappear, but because perspective changes. The soul learns that it is supported, guided, and sustained beyond human effort. An essential part of restoring the soul is renewing the mind. Many people live with unexamined thoughts, fear-based beliefs, guilt from the past, or expectations shaped by failure. These thoughts quietly drain emotional and spiritual energy. Restoration requires intentional learning to replace those thoughts with truth. When the mind is taught to focus on what is stable rather than what is uncertain, peace becomes a natural outcome. Education of the soul is not emotional hype, it is disciplined thinking shaped by spiritual understanding. As the mind changes, emotions follow, and the will becomes steady. A restored soul does not mean a life without challenges, it means a life with resilience. When the soul is restored, decision-making improves, reactions become measured, and confidence grows quietly rather than aggressively. Strength no longer comes from pressure, but from assurance. Daily life begins to reflect balance. Work is done with purpose, relationships are approached with patience, and challenges are faced without panic. Restoration is not a one-time event, but a daily practice of returning the soul to truth, rest, and trust. Ultimately, soul restoration is about returning to the original design of inner peace and spiritual alignment. When the soul is restored, life flows more naturally, learning becomes easier, and faith becomes practical rather than theoretical. A restored soul is not loud, rushed, or anxious. It is steady, teachable, and confident. This is the kind of inner strength that sustains a person through every season, producing growth that is deep, lasting, and meaningful. The restoration of the soul is a deep inner work that goes beyond emotions and circumstances, touching the core of how a person thinks, feels, and makes decisions. Many people live with a tired soul without realizing it, assuming that rest only means physical sleep or time away from work, while the real exhaustion lies in the mind and emotions. The soul becomes worn down by constant pressure, unprocessed disappointment, fear of the future, and the burden of trying to control outcomes. Restoration begins when a person understands that the soul was not designed to carry endless worry or self-effort. True renewal happens when the inner life is gently realigned with truth, peace, and trust. This process teaches the mind to slow down, the emotions to settle, and the will to stop striving unnecessarily. When the soul is restored, clarity replaces confusion, and calm replaces inner noise. Problems may still exist, but they no longer dominate the inner world. Education of the soul is essential here because restoration is not automatic. It requires learning new ways of thinking. Thoughts shape emotions, and emotions influence choices. So when thoughts are filled with fear or failure, the soul remains unsettled. Restoring the soul involves intentionally replacing harmful thought patterns with truth-based understanding that brings stability. As the mind is renewed, emotional balance follows naturally. Peace becomes less dependent on external conditions and more rooted in inner assurance. This kind of restoration also teaches patience, helping a person understand that growth does not happen instantly but steadily. Over time, a restored soul produces resilience, allowing a person to face challenges without panic and setbacks without losing direction. Strength becomes quiet and consistent rather than forced. Confidence grows, not from pride, but from inner alignment. Daily life begins to change subtly but powerfully. As decisions are made with wisdom, reactions become measured, and relationships improve through emotional health. The restored soul learns to rest even while moving forward, creating a life marked by balance rather than burnout. This inner renewal is one of the most valuable forms of growth because it sustains a person through every season, providing peace that is durable, strength that is steady, and understanding that continues to deepen with time. Soul restoration is often misunderstood because many people expect it to happen through dramatic change, yet it usually begins in quiet awareness. A person may continue functioning outwardly while inwardly feeling drained, distracted, or emotionally fragile. This condition develops when the soul is overloaded with unresolved thoughts, constant pressure, and expectations that exceed inner capacity. Restoration starts when the individual learns to pause internally and recognize the difference between effort and trust. Trust allows the soul to release what it was never meant to manage alone. This is an educational process because the mind must be trained to shift from fear-driven thinking to truth-centered understanding. When the mind is constantly rehearsing negative outcomes, the soul remains restless. As the mind learns to focus on what is stable and reliable rather than uncertain and threatening, inner tension begins to dissolve. Emotional healing follows mental clarity, not the other way around. This is why restoration is not merely emotional comfort, but structured inner renewal that reshapes perception. Over time, the soul becomes less reactive and more responsive, able to handle pressure without absorbing it. As restoration continues, the soul develops a new rhythm for daily living that emphasizes balance rather than exhaustion. Many people equate strength with constant activity, but true strength is revealed in the ability to remain steady under demand. A restored soul understands how to rest inwardly even while working outwardly. This produces consistent clarity in decision-making and patience in relationships. Challenges are no longer viewed as threats to identity, but as opportunities for growth and learning. The will becomes disciplined without becoming rigid, and emotions become expressive without becoming unstable. This inner stability does not remove difficulty, but it removes panic. Life becomes less about survival and more about purpose. The educational nature of soul restoration lies in its repetition. Each day reinforces healthier patterns of thought, response, and expectation. Gradually, confidence emerges that is not dependent on approval or outcomes. The restored soul learns to live from assurance rather than anxiety, creating a foundation that supports long-term growth, emotional health, and spiritual maturity. Restoring the soul requires understanding that true renewal comes from deliberate inner work, not external fixes. Many individuals focus on changing circumstances, seeking comfort in achievements, possessions, or relationships, while overlooking the fatigue and disarray that reside within. The soul bears the weight of unprocessed emotions, unresolved conflicts, and constant mental activity, which over time dulls clarity and drains vitality. Restoration begins when a person intentionally turns inward, creating space to examine thoughts, feelings, and choices. This process is educational because it involves recognizing patterns that have led to exhaustion and learning new approaches to maintain inner peace. Thoughts of fear, regret, or insecurity are often automatic and unnoticed, yet they shape emotional responses and decision-making. By intentionally replacing these harmful thought patterns with constructive, truth-based perspectives, the mind begins to guide the soul toward stability. As mental clarity improves, emotional health naturally follows, allowing the individual to respond to life with steadiness instead of impulsivity. This transformation is not instantaneous. It requires patience and consistent effort to cultivate new habits of thinking and feeling, which gradually produce a more resilient inner life. A restored soul learns the importance of stillness and trust. In a world that prioritizes constant activity and immediate results, taking deliberate time to rest and reflect is countercultural, yet essential for lasting renewal. Stillness allows the mind to settle, the emotions to regulate, and the will to focus on what truly matters. Through quiet reflection, the soul recognizes that it is supported and sustained beyond human effort, creating a foundation for confidence and inner peace. This practice also teaches discernment, helping the individual distinguish between what requires attention and what can be released. Emotional energy is preserved rather than wasted on unnecessary worry, and clarity emerges as a natural byproduct of inner alignment. The educational aspect of this process lies in consistent practice. The soul learns through experience how to balance action with rest, control with surrender, and responsibility with trust. Over time, these lessons build an enduring framework for resilience, enabling the person to navigate challenges without being overwhelmed. As the soul becomes restored, daily life transforms subtly yet profoundly. Decisions are made with greater wisdom, reactions are tempered by calmness, and interactions with others are enriched by emotional balance. Challenges continue to arise, but they are met with perspective rather than panic. Strength is no longer derived solely from effort, but from the steadiness of inner assurance, producing confidence that is quiet yet powerful. The restored soul cultivates consistency, emotional intelligence, and clarity, creating an environment where growth and purpose can flourish. Restoration teaches the value of returning continually to truth, rest, and trust, making renewal not a one-time event, but a lifelong practice. Over time, the soul experiences a deeper sense of peace, resilience, and direction, allowing the individual to live in alignment with purpose, approach life with confidence, and sustain spiritual, emotional, and mental health in every season. The restoration of the soul is a transformative process that affects every aspect of life, shaping thoughts, emotions, and actions in profound ways. Often people focus on external solutions, changing jobs, relationships, or environments, while the true source of exhaustion remains within. The soul carries the weight of unresolved emotions, persistent worries, and habitual thought patterns, which, if unaddressed, drain energy and cloud judgment. Restoration begins when a person intentionally turns inward to assess these internal pressures, learning to recognize what depletes the spirit and what nurtures it. This is an educational process because it involves both awareness and application, noticing destructive habits of thought, replacing them with constructive perspectives, and practicing responses that cultivate peace. As the mind is trained to focus on truth rather than fear or uncertainty, clarity begins to emerge and emotional balance follows. The will, once strained by constant struggle, finds direction and steadiness, and the soul begins to operate from a place of alignment rather than tension. In this way, restoration is not merely emotional relief, it is structured growth that builds resilience, wisdom, and inner strength over time. A critical aspect of this process is learning to rest in stillness and trust. Many people mistake activity for productivity and busyness for progress, yet the soul thrives in moments of calm reflection. By creating space to pause, the mind can release the weight of constant mental strain, emotions can settle, and decisions can be approached with clarity rather than anxiety. This practice teaches patience, discernment, and reliance on deeper sources of strength, allowing the individual to respond to challenges with measured confidence instead of impulsive reactions. The process is cumulative. Each moment of intentional rest, each act of releasing control reinforces healthier patterns of thought and behavior. Over time, the soul becomes resilient, able to maintain composure amid trials, and capable of sustaining energy and focus without being overwhelmed. Restoration also reshapes daily living by fostering consistency and purpose. A restored soul navigates life with greater wisdom, balancing responsibilities with inner peace. Emotional responses are tempered by understanding, allowing interactions with others to be meaningful and grounded rather than reactive. Challenges are approached as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles that threaten stability. This renewed inner state strengthens decision-making, enhances problem-solving, and nurtures relationships by promoting patience, empathy, and calmness. Strength is no longer derived solely from effort or external circumstances, but from an enduring inner assurance that provides stability in every situation. The process teaches that true confidence grows quietly within, independent of external validation or immediate results. Ultimately, a restored soul is one that functions from alignment, peace, and clarity, It is not impervious to difficulty, but it possesses the resilience, perspective, and balance needed to thrive in any season. The continual practice of returning to truth, resting intentionally, and trusting in guidance beyond oneself ensures that restoration is ongoing rather than temporary. As the mind, emotions, and will work in harmony, the soul becomes a foundation for growth, purpose, and meaningful living. Daily experiences become opportunities to exercise discernment, patience, and steadfastness, reinforcing the lessons learned through restoration. Over time, life reflects this inner transformation, resulting in deeper peace, enduring strength, and a steady course through the complexities and demands of existence.